What's up, guys? This your boy Flexington Curry, and we back again with some more breaking hip-hop news for that ass. Alright, so this video is sad, it's disturbing, and it's all around fuck it up. Alright, but so this is a graphic video of white correction officer handcuffing 4 prisoners to a table so a white supremacist prisoner can stab them. Can we say fucked up? Fucked up. Alright, this video is so sad and disturbing. In the video, you can see 4 black prisoners handcuffed to a table by a white corrections officer so a white supremacist prisoner can stab them repeatedly. This happened at the Southern Ohio Correctional Facility in Lucasville, Ohio. No names have been released yet on the victims or attacker, but alright, here we go, y'all. It's crazy, y'all. That shit crazy. That shit mad sad, bro. Damn. Alright, make sure y'all, I ain't gonna say like this shit, but make sure y'all comment and share and subscribe. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. This your boy Flexington Curry, and I'm out.